In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change keyboard size on any Android phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up any app that uses keyboard, and then we can change keyboard size in two ways. The first way is tap right here at that gear just above the keyboard. You can easily find the toolbar. On the toolbar you can easily find gear, and once you tap on it you will be taken to your keyboard settings, and then all you have to do is just search for font size here. Once you find font size, we'll be taken to that screen where we can easily change font size on our keyboard. We can hit add plus or minus to increase or reduce font size. Down below at the keyboard we can see how it changes. If you would like to set maximum font size, just drag it to the right, and then also we can change the keyboard size itself. To do that, we need to tap right here at these three dots at the same toolbar, and that's where we are looking for keyboard size. We can tap on it, and then we'll be able to increase or reduce our keyboard size in that way. Once we are done with that, all we have to do is just tap at done to apply the changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.